There is no crypto wallet that is safe, be it DeFi or CeFi. Now, the reason I'm saying this is because a content creator or a crypto miner or crypto trader made a video yesterday. And in that video, he was talking about what might have gone wrong or what he did to have experienced crypto wipe because his wallet was wiped and he was having about 16,000 worth of dollars in that particular crypto wallet. And to be precise, it's a trust wallet, which is a DeFi wallet. Now, a lot of people have spoken about DeFi, CeFi, DeFi being the best platform to save your funds in, CeFi being the best platform to save your funds in, and so on. Even this particular crypto trader has also spoken about this platform. But one thing a lot of people make mistake about is that it doesn't matter if you are using two-factor authentication, this, that, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't matter. There are hackers that knows how to manipulate this and get your two-factor authentications and everything you type on your phone, they would see everything. And that is like an hacker that knows what he or she is doing. And when an hacker have your time, I mean when a very good pro hacker has your time, trust me, they will wipe your wallet. No matter how you want to save, unless you are saving it in a flash or probably anywhere offline, a flash drive, hard drive, anything or offline that isn't online. Now, in case you want to watch the video of this guy talking about his crypto wallet and how it happens, you can just comment video in the comment section and I would send you a DM to that particular video which you can watch. So let me now put you through how you can prevent this from happening. There are several ways of preventing this from happening, which is the first one is by saving offline, saving your crypto funds offline. Now, if you know that you need maybe like $100, $200, 1,000, $1 million, and you have fund in your flash drive, hard drive, or even memory card, you can even save it on memory card. Yes, you can save your crypto fund in a memory card. But one thing about saving in those devices is that some of these devices are fake and they don't last that long. So you might experience maybe an issue related to the flash drive or something not working again. I'm sure you guys have experienced things like that, whereby you get an hard drive or flash drive or something. It's not as if you did anything wrong. You just probably move a file in it, and or maybe it just fell and the flash or memory card stopped working. So this is why a lot of people are normally scared of using those offline devices. That's like one of the best method to save it, but at the same time it is also dangerous because you have to keep the flash very safe. Although you can also save it on your Sapphire wallet, Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, and so on. You can save it there, but at the same time, hackers can hack into these accounts. So far they have your email address, your wallet is gone or your account is gone. Or even if you are making use of two-factor authentication, there is a way whereby hackers can get your two factors authentication. There's actually a course on Udemy that teaches ethical cybersecurity, and in this course, you would find this trick of how these hackers go about this method in that video. If you also need a link to that video, you can just comment cybersecurity or CB in the comment section and I'll send it to you. That is if you are watching this video on Instagram. But if you are not watching it on Instagram, if you are watching it on TikTok or YouTube, just make sure you go to my Instagram or my Facebook page and type cybersecurity or type CB in the comment section of this particular video. Now, that being said, there are other ways for you to prevent this from happening. And I'm about to drop a video whereby I spoke about methods or things you should know as a crypto beginner. Now, there are several things you should know, like you shouldn't link your wallet, I mean your main wallet, to a crypto account or a crypto website that is promising you to send you money or fund. Don't link your main wallet. You did not work in these people's handle. Remember that they are also there, they also want to make money. So you linking your main wallet, some of these websites are hackers website, and I see a lot of influencers, a lot of people posting online, go and do airdrop, you make a lot of money from airdrop, blah blah blah. Do you know that the reason they are showing you or telling you about those informations is because of the money they want to make from it? Because they know that if they refer several set of people, they would also make more money. That is why they are sharing these links to you. And one thing you as a beginner don't know is that linking your main wallet to this particular website or some website, I'm not saying it is all websites, but there are some websites whereby once you link your wallet to those websites, you can experience wipe, like your account would be wiped off. All your cryptocurrency that you've worked hard to gain would be all wiped off. Now, the best thing to do as a new beginner is make sure your airdrop wallet is completely different from your main wallet. And even if you can get a new device, I would advise you getting a new device. Save all your crypto funds in that particular device, and you make sure that that device is not linked to any website or any crypto website. You can either use Binance or these crypto coins, but do not link this website to any Web3 website. Make sure that device is solely meant for keeping your cryptocurrency. Now, one of the reasons why this person might experience this wipe or this hack is probably because he has linked that Trust Wallet account to a Web3 wallet account online. Like I said, it is possible that this is what happened. Now, after linking that wallet, most of these websites or some of them would not immediately attack you. They might wait for you or automate their bot or something that once your crypto wallet has a certain amount of fund in it, then the crypto wallet or their bot should initiate some programming stuff and send those coins to their own wallets. That is how this is possible. It might be a wallet that he has linked or a Web3 website that he has linked that Trust Wallet to 2 years, 3 years ago, that just recently attacked that Trust Wallet. It doesn't matter if you are having two-factor authentication or something like that. It can still happen. So the best way for you is to get a new device. You can get ITEL device, Techno device, and save that wallet, your main wallet in it. Now, once you've done that, or you can even make use of a laptop, you can get a laptop and save it in it. But if you need videos like this on how to go about all this crypto stuff, just click on the follow button because I'll be dropping more crypto videos like this. Now, these are the two things that you can use or do to prevent. Make sure you get an offline device, or you make sure that the wallet that you are making use of for your airdrop is completely different from the wallet, from your main wallet. So try these two methods and hopefully your account or your funds will be safe. I hope you find this content very useful and educative. Do not forget to subscribe and follow this particular page either on Facebook, Instagram, or any other platform that you are watching this video from. Also, like this video so that it's going to reach people that are also into cryptocurrency and needs educating video like this. Also, do not forget to share this video with your friends, family, girlfriends, boyfriends, neighbor, enemies, everybody. All right. Thank you for watching this video, and see you when I see you in the next video.